Faster than traditional mechanical switches, Razer Linear Optical switch technology uses optical beam-based actuation, registering key presses at the speed of light, 15 to 30% shorter actuation distance than other linear switches at 1.0 mm. Ultimate personalization gaming immersion with Razer Chroma. Fully syncs with popular games, Razer hardware, Philips Hue, and gear from 30-plus partners. Supports 16.8 million colors on individually backlit keys. Quality, aluminum construction. Covered with a matte, aluminum top frame for increased structural integrity. Oil-resistant double-shot PBT keycaps. Made of textured, high-grade PBT for a more durable and textured finish less prone to long-term grime buildup. Fully programmable macros. Razer Hypershift allows for all keys and keypress combinations to be remapped to execute complex commands. Top reviews from the United States. Best Razer keyboard. I have used many different types of keyboards from Razer. I have used the Black Widow Ultimate, the Ornata, and the standard Huntsman. Out of all of them this is the best, but I would highly recommend paying a bit more, and getting the red linear switches. They are far superior to the clickily purple switches. The linear switches are very quite especially for a mechanical keyboard because it has sound dampeners on the switches. It's the best typing experience that I have had so far, and unlike the first-gen version of this switch, Razer has made vast improvements to the second-gen version found in this board. They are not as easy to actuate, so you do not get as many false presses as before. It is an expensive board, but overall I feel it is worth it. Another point worth mentioning is it has onboard memory, so you do not need to use Synapse in order to get your lighting effects to save. This is very important as many people including myself hate Synapse, so it is great not having to use it. I would say if the $130 price does not scare you and you want a good quite mechanical keyboard, then look no further than the Razer Huntsman 60%.